Hello, everyone. I hope that everyone can hear me and everything works very smoothly. So welcome in this session. I think that we can start. There we have a lot of people here, so I'm very glad. So I would like to today show you our solutions for ITSM mainly, and we will go through our apps and what we have. So I'm starting sharing my screen. It will be a live demo, so everything can happen during this live demo. Okay, I hope that you see my screen. Okay. So a few words at the beginning about our company. We are called Appsvio. This company has been founded almost 3 years ago by 3 friends, me and my 2 colleagues, Peter, who is our CTO, and Chris, who is a CEO. My role is CPO, so I am responsible for our products. We were founded by Atlassian Ventures, so it was a big chance to us to create this company and grow up. On the marketplace, we have currently 9 apps. All these apps are available for cloud, and also these 2 apps, Feature Bundle and Issue Berger, are also available for data center. But today I will show you demo using a cloud version because cloud and data center versions are almost similar. We have only one difference in case of Feature Bundle, but the rest of features are exactly the same. We are focusing on ITSM. This is why we have such topic today. But of course, we are not closed to any other areas. So this is why we also try to invest more in area according to productivity and teams. And this is why we created this issue templates agent app. And I will show you also this app very quickly in the end of this presentation. So let's start with the demo. So everything begins on the customer portal. So let's create our first ticket. So it will be some example for demo. Okay, and we use this ticket to present the features in our apps. So our first app, which I would like to describe today, is called Feature Bundle. So this is this app for Jira Service Management, available in all hostings, but now we are focusing on cloud option. And as you can see in a few minutes, that this app is a set of features which helps agents and customers to improve their cooperation on customer portal within the ticket. So we don't have one feature in this app, but a lot of different features. So we have got set of them. And here we have got our ticket example. And on the screen, we can see some features which are provided by this Feature Bundle app. So at the beginning, we have got announcement banner. In case of pure Jira, native Jira, we have got option to create announcement banner only on Help Center or Customer Portal. And this is only one banner across these pages. So you don't, it's not possible to create many banners in the same times about different topics for different people in different conditions. But with our app, it's possible. So here we have got banner on request details view, which is not possible to create on native Jira Service Management. But this is not only place when you can create it. And we will soon later what we have in our configuration. Another thing is that we have got a very small but powerful button here called escalate, but you can name it edit, you can name it in any way which you want, which fits to your use case. Because thanks to this banner, thanks to this button, you can open a dialog and you have got a lot of fields here, and you can edit this request, you can make some escalations, you can collect additional information which you didn't collect at the beginning on the request form. So depends on your status, you can collect different informations in fields, but the two main use cases is edit request and making escalation process smoother, because in native Jira we have got only button escalation, and you can add optional comment during this transition. But thanks to our app, it's not about transition, because we also allow to make changes during this transition, but also you can provide some additional information. So you as an agent have got more information why this person is escalating, what is the problem, what is the reason, which circumstances can change during the waiting to resolve this ticket. Also, we will check how this configuration looks like. Another thing is that here we have got some small workflow, very simple workflow. And here we have got information what will be next and what steps are next, because of course we have got a status here on this view, but you can provide some additional information to your customers. So you can add some short description, you can name these stages, and especially if you have a very complicated workflow and you want to put a lot of different statuses for your workflow, it's very helpful that you can combine some statuses in some stages. And thanks to this, thanks to our configuration, you can present them on the request details view. So customer also have information where is with his ticket. And another thing is that we have option to present some additional values from fields which are not added to the form. So here we have got example with assignee and priority, but you can add as many fields as you need, including linked issues. And we will also see in configuration how to do it in a very smooth way. So this is what we have thanks to Feature Bundle app. And let's go to see quickly how the configuration looks like and what we have in what options we have. So first things, we start from banners. So banners have got their configuration, the global configuration. And as you can see, we can have as many banners as we need. So in the same time, we can present a lot of banners on the page. And when I'm creating a new announcement, here I have got a possibility to select in which pages I would like to present this banner. So as I said, in native Jira service management, we have got only options for Help Center and Customer Portal. Here we have got user profile, request pages, approvals pages, request detail view, and we can also limit this one to some request types. Now I use all request types. Also customer portal and request forms. So let's go what we have here also. So another thing is that you can schedule your announcement. So by default, this announcement is available all the time, but you can set some individual dates. You can make some schedules. So for example, this banner will be visible daily from some time to another time. Also, you can put some conditions that this banner will be visible until some target issue reaches status. For example, in case of incident management, we have some issue for our incident, and we can create some announcement banner, and this banner is visible until this incident reaches status resolved. Another configuration which we have is a possibility to restrict this banner to some people. So you can specify who will see this banner, because not everyone can be interested in this topic. So to make this portal clear and transparent, you can limit this announcement based on user language, organization, project roles, groups, or email domains. And the last thing is design the announcement. You can, of course, use this classic editor, but you can also use HTML and put here HTML. And thanks to this, you can put some YouTube video, some GIFs, some images, and thanks to this, make this announcement banner more visible and more eye-catchy for your customers. And this is banners. So this is our first part. And the rest of this ticket, the part which we provide, is configured under project settings. So we would go to this customer support project. Okay, and we will show what we have, customer project. Okay, so under project settings, we have got our configuration pages. So we start with this powerful button, Escalate. So here we have got Edit Request option. The list of request types, you can configure this form for any request type which you need. And I have configuration for my request type technical support. And what you can see, this ticket can be edited in case this use case escalated by many people, not only by reporter, but also by request participants or people who are from the same organization with which this ticket is shared. Also in settings, we can limit when this request can be edited. For example, this escalated button can be available only in some statuses, or when we don't have any update since 3 days, for example. Also, we can define how many times this ticket can be edited or can be escalated in this use case. So you can count this number of edits per user or per request. And what's more, very important for audit options, that you can enable adding an internal comment after each edit operation. So we have information who, when, and which fields edited during this process. And the most important thing, edit form. So here I have got the list of fields which are available on the request form, and we have got a lozenge, but also fields which are available in issue view. So thanks to this, we can add some additional fields which are not available at the first stage on the request form and collect some additional information. As you can see, we support different custom fields types, and also we support assets. So if you use Jira Service Management in Premium or Enterprise plan, you can also put here assets. You can limit them using AQL. So we can provide the scope, and you can also make them editable by customer on the portal. Also, as you can see on the field level, we have got JQL. So here you can also limit when this field will be editable using JQL. So, for example, in some statuses. So this is it, what we have in case of configuration for this button. This button can be also renamed, can be translated. So if you have a multi-language customer portal, it's also very useful that you can translate this button. The next feature is this request steps area, which is also configured under project settings. And here I have also configuration for this request type, and you can put your title for this panel, and here you can create some steps. So here I have got 3 steps. So waiting for triage, in progress, we have done. You can put optional short description, and you can map statuses which are in every step. As you can see, we have got in waiting for triage, waiting for support, or waiting for customer in my workflow, and I am on waiting for support, so I see that I am on this step. When I will change the status, I will move to in progress. So the configuration is very short and not very complicated. And the last thing, panel with some additional values. Also is configurable under project settings. So we have got field values on requests. And here we have got a very simple configuration. So you can select on which request types do you want to present this panel, which information, so which fields, and in case of linked issues, you can also limit which link types do you want to present. In case of this ticket, I don't have any links, so this is why I don't see this panel. But let's go to issue view and link some issue to see how it looks like. So we'll link it with some ticket in our Jira and come back to customer portal. And as you can see, here we have got a new panel from our app, linked issues, and this information, this linked issues will be presented here. I didn't limit it to any link type, so this is why I see is blocked by, and also other link types if they will appear in the future. Here we have got a very basic information: issue type, issue key, summary, status, and priority. But in the future, it will be also a possibility to define which information do you want to present for your customer. So this is it, what we have in Feature Bundle app. In case of data center, we have got one more feature, a possibility to hide request types based on some conditions like organizations, SLA, JQuery, or Jira groups. So thanks to this, you can create one customer portal with many request types and define which request types is available for which group of people. So this is it, what we have in data center. This is only one difference between these two hostings. We don't have it on cloud because it's not technically possible to do it. But this is only one differentiation between these two hostings. So here we have got Feature Bundle. Let's move to another our app called Customer and Organization Management, which is available for cloud currently. So thanks to this app, you can collect information about your customers and organizations. So you can collect some attributes and they can be defined by your agents, but also by your customers, which is very unique. So let's see how it looks like. So this app has got a dedicated view, and in this view you can see all your customers or all your organizations, depending on view, with some additional information about these people. So you can see that we have got a list of customers available on this instance. We have got some fields, and these fields represent these columns. Fields represent fields which we configured in our app. So we have got some information like who is the manager, because we support user picker, what is the telephone number, what is the role. We also support assets, so you can present assets which are assigned to some customers. So if you, for example, use your Jira Service Manager for internal service desk, and you have got your employees, and you link to them some objects like computers, laptops, some another hardware or software, you can present this information in this one view. But not only, you can present also this information for your employees on the customer portal, and we will see it in few minutes how it looks like. So here we have got the global view, which is available for your agents. And in this view, you can add new customers, and you can assign these customers to many projects at the same time. So you don't have to go project by project and add them. You can do everything in bulk. Also, you can set some filters for these columns. You can also filter which would you like to present at this view. Here we have got also possibility to export this information to CSV file. You can make some updates. It's especially helpful if you want to update a lot of fields in the same time. And after that, you can import this data from CSV. We have also REST API, so it's also very helpful to update this information. And in the app settings, we can see how it looks like. So here we have got forms. We have a separated configuration for customers and organization. So here we have got all fields which I configured, and as you can see, we support many field types. And here we have got some small powerful toggle, enable on portal. And when I'm saving on it and move to our portal, where is our portal? Here. When I refresh it, you will see the dialog. And in this dialog, I can provide some information about me. And this is very useful, especially if your customer log into your service desk first time, and you want to collect some basic information about this person. So this is very powerful because this information can be updated not only by agents, but also by customers. And this information are also available under my profile. So here you have got a dedicated panel, and here we have got some information, and I can edit this information. And in configuration, you can edit which information, you can configure which information can be edited by customers and which fields are presented to your customers, because you can create some internal fields, for example, for your notes. And here you can see the example of banner from our feature bundle app, which I presented before. Okay, where this information are also presented from customers and organizations. So this information are also presented on issue view. So when I'm on issue view, I have our panel, customers and organizations, and here I have got all information collected about this reporter or request participants if I have on issue. Also, we have got short links to open and closed requests created by this customer. So this is another area, another place in Jira, the third place where you can see information collected in this app. And also here you can see that we have got example with assets, so I can easily check which assets are assigned to this reporter. So this is our another app, customer and organization management. Also, during the handling tickets, it's very useful to have something to merge issues, especially in case on incident management. And this is the use case which we presented the most common. And this is the app which helps us to achieve it, issue merger, available for all hostings, and this app can merge issues, as the name states. These issues can be merged manually, but also automatically, because we have got our automation rules. And this app can help you to close tickets which are linked to your incident in bulk, so you don't have to switch between support tickets and close them and add the same comment to every ticket, because you can do everything on issue thanks to our app. And how it looks like, this is very simple thing. So let's go to this issue, and here we have got merge option. And thanks to this merge option, I can merge issues using our app, and I can define information from which ticket I would like to merge to which another ticket. So here I have got the example that I would like to merge ticket from this one to this one. I can define which fields will be merged. So, for example, description in case of text fields or some select fields, I can define if these values are append or replace. And also I can define that I want to merge some linked issues or some comments, and I can also link this issue. So I select relates to. So this is very simple, and I'm clicking merge, and this operation is in progress, as you can see. So we have got all information about this process. And this is the one way how can I merge issues. As you can see, I have here link related issue. I have updated description, because this is the description from this issue, so everything works. And this is the one way how can I merge issues. So this is a manual way, but I can also merge these issues automatically. So I will show you how it looks like. But firstly, let's see that we have got a panel bulk actions, and this is what I said especially useful in case of incident management, that I can select. It's better if you have a lot of issues here. We don't have any limits, so you can have 50 or 100 issues here. So you can select issues and easily add comments to these issues, link these issues, or some update some values or change the status. So very useful if you have one ticket for your incident and a lot of problems which are merged to this ticket, so you can close them in very simple way. And about automatic merging. So this is also available under project settings. Here we have got issue merger auto merge, and thanks to this feature, your issues can be merged automatically. So here we have got some place to define rules. So when the issue is created, we can check some information. So for example, that summary contains summary of source issue. So we are checking that, okay, some issue with the same summary exists in Jira, and if you have the same summary in your new ticket, this new ticket will be merged to this first ticket which exists in Jira. And of course, you can define which information will be merged, that if this ticket will be linked or not. You can also add comments, also internal comments, if you merge tickets in your service project. So this is very powerful, especially if you have a lot of similar tickets. Also, you can define to check only tickets created within 24 hours. So in case of incident management, it's very useful. So this is what we have in our another app.
Okay, yes? Sorry for disturbing. I have a small question here.
Yes.
So this issue merger, so you copy over some fields of one instance to another, right? That's the idea behind it?
Yes, yes. This is the idea, that we copy this information. Yeah. And also,
And my question is, how would that work in a SIAM environment by overriding fields of other incidents? It's some environments where you bounce into multiple SLAs and kind of stuff. If you override information, it gets messy quite fast, or how must I see this?
As I understand correctly, are you asking about SLA? So
no, if you have instance 1, right, and instance
yes.
2, and you take information from instance 2 to override it on instance 1, right? So a lot of
yes,
data
you can override
override
this information, or you can add this information.
Okay.
Because we have also option that you can copy this information, for example, from description as internal comment. So you can collect all information in one ticket. Because when I come back to this ticket, here we have got merge. And for example, in case description, you can see that we have got four options. So we have got append, replace, but also you can copy this description as internal comment or as public comment. So it's not about overwritten this information, but you can collect all descriptions in one ticket, for example, and it will be your source of truth. Everything in one ticket, all information in this one. You can also here merge attachments, so you can also collect all attachments in this one ticket.
Okay, thanks, clear, Kate.
Thanks. Okay, great. So this is it, what we have in issue merger. And let's move to our last app for, no, sorry, not last. Last in case of ITSM. So this is our new app, ITSM Reports. This app is focused on agents, team leaders in support service teams. So here we offer some additional gadgets which are available on a native dashboard in Jira. This app is free. This is MVP. So this app, it's not very mature and with a lot of configuration, because we would like to check if it's any interest in case of this app and in this area. So this is like an experiment to us, if it's something what will be interested for people. And what we offer. So now we have got some gadgets which you can add on your dashboard. The first gadget is that you can present all organizations which you have in your Jira instance. So here I have a very small instance as a demo. So I have got 2 organizations, and you can see how many customers do you have in this organization. So thanks to this, you will see how it looks like in your Jira instance. Another thing is that here I have got request channel type, another gadget, and I can, thanks to this, I can check from which places our tickets are created, because we have got Jira API. API means that from a gadget, from widget. For example, when you put a widget from a service project somewhere, you can, these tickets are created via API. We have also portal. We have also anonymous portal, email, or deployment. And thanks to this, you can see which channel is the most popular for your customers. And thanks to this, you can, for example, make some improvements in these support channels. For example, if you say that we have got a lot of tickets created via anonymous portal, maybe it's a good idea to put some banner with some additional information, useful information for your customers, and which work when this portal is anonymous. Also, we can check request types. So which request types are the most popular in which request channel type. And when I'm clicking on edit, you can see that this form of presentation we have got more than once. have to refresh it. Okay, one sec. I don't know why I can't refresh dashboard, native dashboard. Okay, now it works, great. Or no, yeah, great, works. Okay, so here you can see that we have got some configuration options. So I can change the form of presentation. So we have got also columns, pie chart, or very simple table. And I can define which service project I would like to check. And you can also define time frame. And you can disable grouping by request types if you want. So I can, for example, select columns, and here I will have a different presentation of this information. Okay. Now this dashboard starts working very slow. I don't know why. Thanks God we are going to the end. So, okay. I hope that it will be uploaded soon. So let's move to another gadget. So another gadget is request distribution over time. This heat map. This is a heat map, and you can check in which time the most tickets are created. And thanks to this, it can help you to allocate your agents. So here you can see that we have got the most, the highest number of tickets created on Monday in this time. So here we have, if we have a production, it looks like in live. So this heat map is more advanced, because here it's very simple. Yes, it works. So coming back to this request channel type, as you can see, we have got some request types. We have got a column presentation. So if you want, you can present also this information as a different graph. Okay, so we have got this request distribution over time, and in case of this gadget, you can also switch to table if you want, and if you want to present this data as a table. Another gadget is asset structure. So you can define which assets, which objects do you want to check, and here you can see what is the structure. So here I have got some configuration. This is a place where I have to select objects from assets, and I can also limit it and provide some optional SQL. And after that, I see what is the structure in this inside object. And of course, this gadget is available only if you are on premium or enterprise plan. And yes, and here we have got this facilities assets structure here. And the next gadget is very simple gadget, which allows us to present the percentage of meeting SLA. So you select which SLA do you want to present here, and we have got information about percentage. Of course, we can select time frame. And the last gadget, so assignee and average CSAT. Here we have got also possibility to define service project and time frame, and here I can see what are our agents and what is the average CSAT after tickets which they resolved. And this is it, what we have in our app. Now we are working on new gadgets to present agents workload, to present more information about organizations. So we will develop this app in coming weeks a lot. So new releases will be soon. And the last thing to present for today is our app issue templates agent, which received a very nice badge called Spotlight for best apps on the marketplace. And this issue templates agents is an app which allows you to create templates for your issues. But what is very nice that these templates work on native create issue screen, which is very unique and it's possible thanks to using Atlassian Forge platform. So thanks to this, we can we can do this feature. And let's see how it looks like. So here we have got a place where we can configure our templates. We can configure as many templates as you need. So simply create template, and here put your template name. You can select projects. Here, this is my new instance, so this is only one project, and also issue types. So you can create as many templates as you want for your projects. Here you can select many projects, so you can create one template which will work cross projects. So it's also very useful for configuration. So I put some example. And the next step during the configuration is that you have to select which fields do you want to have pre-filled when I go to the create issue. So by default, you can see that we have got description, summary, but we support almost all custom fields, also fixed version components. So a lot of custom field types which you can add here. But of course, the most common use case is bug template. I think well known to everyone. So as you can see here, I have got some configuration. I have also some small thing that this template is set as a default template. So thanks to this, when I open create issue dialog, this information will be loaded. So I'm clicking next. And here you can see that I have more complicated, more advanced description with some boxes, with some formatting, also summary, and how it works. So when I'm click creating issue, and I select bug because this is for bug, here you can see that we have got our field template. And this template is a default template, so this information are pre-filled. So I don't have to click and select anything from this template dropdown. This information are pre-filled, so summary and description, because it was in my configuration. So it's very useful, not only for agents when they create some bugs in your Jira, in your software projects, but also for your internal employees. It works for Jira software and Jira work management. Now we are waiting to add support for Jira service management. So I think that it can also help and improve daily work for your agents. And this is it, what I prepare for today. I hope that you find it useful for your projects. The last thing which I would like to show you, this is our ebook called Roadmap to Success, which we created about ITSM use cases. Some things which were presented today are included in this ebook, but also we have got some more use cases. So I encourage you to download it because I think that it will be a very nice material. And this is it, what I have. Thank you a lot. If you have any questions, I think this is this time. If you will have some questions after our meeting, you can always contact me via LinkedIn, or you can book a demo session with us on calendly.com/Appsvio. So we have got a lot of support channels and possibilities to contact. So thank you a lot for your time today. And do you have any questions?